4:30 on a Thursday. We have a flight later at 3 a.m. Aga tayo nagpapack because before we leave, we're going to clean the house. And I have underwear, so you're not gonna see anything. We're gonna make a stop in Timog. I will see you guys later because I can't talk and pack at the same time. I'm not a multitasker. So, alright. I dropped my camera. Akala ko nasira. So, binabalang natin yung gamit natin. And then, punta tayo sa Timog, Aromata. Panoorin natin yung gig ng mga kabanda natin. Let's go! Woo!
Dinededicate namin to siguro kay Papa. Siguro yun. Dinededicate ko kay Papa.
Guys, andito na tayo sa Terminal 3, NAIA. We're just gonna wait for our boarding time, which is 3 a.m. Anyways, nag-avail ako ng Wi-Fi dalhin sa Indonesia and Malaysia. So, we will see if it's gonna work sa travel natin. I'll keep you guys updated. It's a pocket Wi-Fi. Good morning. It is 9:20 a.m. and we are now in Bali, Indonesia. Our room is not yet available, so plan is we're gonna go to Ubud. We're gonna have breakfast first and then go to Ubud. 2 o'clock pa daw available yung room, but so I've decided might as well just go to Ubud. It's my second time here in Bali. The last time I was here, it was in 2013, a long time ago, and a lot has changed since. So here we are. Vacation starts now. By the way, my name is Kian, and welcome to Bali, Indonesia. Bibili tayo ng luwak coffee and pure cocoa, unprocessed raw cocoa. Try ako dyan ng cacao ceremony, and I think it's better than those cacao drinks that we buy. Uy! Hello! Oh! Okay, asa na nga ako? Ayun, natry ko yung cacao ceremony. Ilan tayo nakakita ulit ng cacao, so we'll grab the opportunity to get us an unprocessed raw cacao. Okay. It's so festive here. Very, very Bali. I'm not doing that. Back off, back off. Back off. Hindi ko alam kung nasan tayo. Rice terraces na may mga swing. Yeah, like touristy stuff. I'm not gonna do it. Pero meron silang buko juice dito. Sobrang init dito sa Bali. Parang mas mainit pa yata dito kaysa sa Pilipinas. Kaya Let's drink buko muna. Okay. Nakatulog tayo sa aeroplano na 3 oras. Okay na yun, kesa wala. And it's already 4 p.m. Gutom na ako. Would love to have some mee goreng. Yeah. I'm an Indomie fan. Dati Lucky Me ako, pero mas nasasarapan ako kay Indomie. So I'm looking forward to mee goreng. Yes, babe. And I can't wait to get in bed because I am just so tired. Oh, hindi nga pala kasi magba-birthday sa lubong kami mamaya kasi birthday ng tatay ko bukas. Okay, not complaining. We're here to celebrate. We're here to celebrate.
Hello, boy. Ada ada patong pagi pak ni, na? Awak. Welcome to Bali.
Thank you. Where am I gonna put this? Where are we gonna put this? Wait, maybe there's someone. Oh, there's the entrance. The entrance pala doon. Okay, let's go. Let's make an offering. Ooh, nice. And so we're going to make an offering because it's full moon. Sabi nila dito, they give offering. They make a wish. So let's go. And just put it on the table. So, we good? Yeah. Ang ganda rin ng temple na to. No? Actually, hindi ko na po may pangalan. Tanong natin mamaya sa driver kung anong pangalan nito ng temple na to. Yeah, I really do feel like I'm in Indonesia. Oh! Gulat lang ako. Pero wow! It looks nice. It's really impressive. Kalimutan kong tanungin sa driver kung anong pangalan ng temple na to. Nagbigay tayo ng offer and nag-wish tayo. And I'm wearing this beautiful clothing, traditional Balinese, I think. Balinese. All right, let's go. Almost 10 p.m. and we're just having cocktails. Bar of the hotel that we're staying at. We're staying at Anantara, Legian. We have a rooftop bar here, facing the beach. So we'll have a drink and then bed, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yep, that is strong. Today is my father's birthday, and we're going to celebrate it later tonight. I was gonna show you the room, pero masyadong makalat. Hindi nga ako nakapag-room tour kagabi kasi nga kulang sa oras, saka pagod na, saka nagalaw na yung mga gamit. So anyways, I slept here kasi yung mga kama parang king size. Alam mo namang sumingit ako, tumabi pa ako. So yeah, slept on the couch. I'll be sleeping on the couch for the whole duration of this trip. Not complaining. It is what it is. So I'd rather go out and figure it out. Okay, let's go to Potato Head. Hike.
From the golden domes of Bulgaria, I'll be following you for the ride. I know that these days I've been messing with you like a countless straight out man girl. And I know the right times when you're feeling surrounded, but I think you should know by now. From the golden domes of Bulgaria, I've been cold Himalaya, I'll be following you for the ride. From the blinding lights of Chicago through the streets of Santiago, I will always be there and by your side. 'Cause sometimes we get stubborn, we forget where we come from. We can't see much beyond our nose. And I know there'll come a time we will leave it all behind, and I sure we are getting close. And from the golden domes of Bulgaria, up the cold Himalaya, I'll be following you.
Hello guys. Birthday ng tatay ko ngayon, so mag-dinner tayo. Hindi ko na muna kasama sa vlog yun. Yeah? I will see you guys later tonight. Tingnan natin kung sipagin tayo lumabas mamayang gabi. But we'll see. Okay, see you later.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Good morning. Not sure. Safe ba pag ganyan yung tubig? Parang masyadong violente. Masyadong violente yung dagat ngayon. Can you even surf sa ganitong kondisyon? Let's see. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, I'm not a professional surfer. Maybe you can. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the beach. We are at Legian, here in Bali. That is the beach. That's what their beach looks. That's what their beach looks like on the brown side. But feels good on the feet. Yeah, yeah, feels good. Oops. So, ewan ko lang. Not sure kung makakaligo ba tayo ngayon sa dagat. So, masyadong violente yung tubig ngayon. Tara. Okay. Dito na lang tayo sa pool ng hotel natin. Chill lang. Mga ganun. Oh, I wonder if we can order something. Okay. Mas mainit dito sa Bali kaysa sa Pilipinas. Yung init pareho, pero feeling ko mas humid. I'm not an expert when it comes to weather, but based on the feeling, parang mas humid lang dito. Talagang maglalagkit ka talaga. But I'm not complaining. Napansin ko lang. Lalim ah. I'm 5'11". Hindi ko na maabot yung ilalim. Gano'n siya kalalim? I think more than 6 feet. Buti na lang marunong akong lumangoy. See? Malalim siya. Alright. Hindi naman tayo ganito everyday. Sa Pilipinas, hindi naman tayo madalas nakakaganito. Na nakaka-relax, chill by the beach or by the pool na may latte. Kaya dumating yung mga pagkakataon na ganito, lubos-lubosin na natin. Kasi hindi naman natin ito madalas ginagawa sa Maynila. Kung may bakasyon ka, lubos-lubos biyaya. May tawag din, lubos biyaya. I'm sorry guys, I'm still getting used to like vlogging. Kaya minsan hindi ko iniisip ano yung tsura ko. Sorry about my hair. It is what it is. That's my hair. Anywho, mamaya pupunta tayo ng Uluwatu. Doon tayo ng Kecak dance. And then we're also going to have our dinner there in Uluwatu. It's about an hour drive to Uluwatu. I think it's at the southern part of Bali. Yeah. Of course, as always, as usual, you guys are gonna come with me. Oh, wala nang araw. Let's go. Let's get ready for our drive to Uluwatu. So, medyo nang gutom na rin ako. Di ba nga nung dumating kami dito, hindi tayo nakapag-room tour. So, lumabas silang lahat. And we got the room all to ourselves. I'm gonna show you. So, behind me is the door. Next to the entrance is the kitchen. There's 5 of us, my parents, and so this is the living area, the common space. This is the first bedroom. It's a king-size bed, ensuite, toilet and bath. Hindi ko na masyado pakita kasi may mga gamit. Baka magulo. Anyways, lumabas kasi sila, kaya we have the whole suite all to ourselves. This is the other bedroom. I think this one's the master bedroom because it has its own balcony, the closet, and the bathroom. We are staying, by the way, at Anantara Vacation Club here in Leguien, Bali. So, as you can see, there's a king-size bed. So, ang nangyari is that I asked for a pillow and a blanket, and that's where I sleep. Sa couch. Ganun talaga. Okay lang naman. Sa couch ako matulog. Comfortable naman ako. So, and there's a balcony. Yan, dyan tayo kanina. Sitting area. And, yeah. All in all, yeah. Maganda rito sa Anantara. I mean, we always stay at Anantara Resorts. Why? Just, basta. Anywho, it is, I think it's already 2:30 and we're leaving at 3 p.m. for Uluwatu. Okay, I'm gonna shower and then I'll see you guys in Uluwatu. Okay. Today we are leaving Bali. We are going to the airport. We're gonna go to Kuala Lumpur for the second leg of our trip. Bali has been amazing. I'm gonna end my video here of Bali, and I will see you guys in Kuala Lumpur. If you guys like what you see or hear, well, like and subscribe ka naman dyan. Once again, maraming salamat for watching. My name is Kian. I'll see you in Kuala Lumpur. Okay.